Hi everybody, my name is James from Pasal, and today in this video we're going to be talking about linking sounds. In spoken English, linking words is really important. For example, when you're connecting words that end with a consonant with a word that begins with a vowel, it's really important that you link these sounds together, because if you don't, it might sound a little bit confusing and even robotic to the person that's listening. Okay everyone, let's try an example of that. So we're going to use two words, stop and it. The last sound in the first word, stop, is a P sound, so it goes stop, huh, like that. And the first sound in the next word is a vowel, it, in it. Okay, so let's try to put these words together now. For the first example, we'll try to put the words together without a linking sound. Okay, so here's how it sounds. Stop it. Okay, did you hear that? We'll try one more time. Stop it. Can you hear that it sounds a little bit robotic and maybe a little bit confusing? Alright, so let's try linking the words together now, okay? Stop it. Yeah, let's try that one more time. Stop it. Very good, and now you try. Stop it. Very good. A lot of my students studying English have told me that when they're connecting any words ending with the F sound with a vowel word in the next one, so for example, laugh at, the F sound turns into a V, so it sounds like laugh at instead of laugh at. However, I think it's slightly better to keep the F in laugh. So we'll try linking those two words together now. So here we go. Laugh at goes to laugh at. Laugh at. When the final consonant sound So the first shape is wide lips. For example, in the word three. Three. You see how wide my lips are? Three. And the second shape is when we have round lips. For example, when we say the number two. Two. Can you see how wide my lips are? Two. That's it. So firstly, we're going to try linking words using wide lips. If the first word ends in a sound beginning with A, E, or I, we have a wide mouth. If our mouth is shaped like this, when we say the second word, we use a Y sound to link the two words together. When we say three oranges, we link these two words together. Let's try. Three oranges. Did you hear the Y? Let's try again. Three oranges. When we link a word with a round lips shape, we tend to use the W sound to link these two words together. So let me give you an example. 2 apples. 2 apples. Can you hear the word sound? 2 apples. Now you try once. 2 apples. Very good. Okay, and that brings us to the end of our video today about linking words together. I hope you learned something today and you can remember all the rules that we talked about today. I really hope your pronunciation will improve after watching this, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel right down here. Alright, thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.